Hello guys. It is pleasure for me to meet you all. Today we will not do any coding. Today we will have an introductory lesson to let you understand what this training course is about and what we will learn. Some of you may ask a question, why should I select this course, instead of learning Postman and RestAssured by myself? So, what is extremely cool about this course? That you won't learn just theory. You will have practical technical tasks to implement real testing of API endpoints with the help of both these tools. You don't need to search other questions in Google because you cannot understand lesson or homework. Everything is in here. In one place. In this training course. This guarantees you that with this training course you will save a lot of time. Because if you would start learning Postman or RestAssured by yourself, you would notice that in the internet there are a lot of directions to learn these tools, a lot of different specific topics to learn, which are not applicable on most projects. And all of this in one single training course from the very beginning. What I suggest to you is training course, where step by step, with detailed homework program, with practical tasks, with detailed review of solution of each practical task, we will learn Postman and RestAssured together. This program will give you enough knowledge to get your first job and be able to test an API web service with the help of Postman and RestAssured. Let's talk about opportunities which will be available to you right after this training course completion. You will be able to get position of a QA engineer. For those who are not aware, a QA engineer checks behavior scenario of the system to ensure quality of the product and guarantee that API meets the requirements. For example, such regular for us today purchase flow in online shop might be easily automated. Postman allows you to write such a consequential API calls that will emulate a purchase that is made via UI much faster than clicking all the needed buttons on front end. You can write such API calls that will add some product to your API virtual basket emulating click on buy button in an online shop. Then, you will proceed with checkout endpoint in Postman that will send all the mandatory fields in the request. Also, you can add a validation test for this API call that if not all the required fields are sent to the endpoint, an error will be returned in response asking the client to provide all necessary data, etc. You could get a chance to work as a software test automation engineer. If you don't know who this person is, you can find the information here. This is such a person on the project, who can automate everything that was listed in the description of a QA engineer role on the project. You can ask me why it is needed on the project. The response is very simple. If you imagine, a large enterprise project may have hundreds or thousands of manual tests that take a long time to be executed manually. In this case, automated test scripts which can be run more precisely and faster would help to release the project quickly. So, as a test automation engineer, you will have to automate all the API test cases that exist on your project and help to deliver the high-quality product faster. And if you're a talented person, with knowledge from this course you will be able to run your own business. So, running your own business in IT consultancy is also one of opportunities for you right after this course completion. The first lecture will not have any practical homework. We will learn more about Postman in our following lesson. That is everything what I got for you for today. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson.